How to hide Instagram following and followers list. Let's head over right here to our profile, and as you can see, we have in here our followers, and I also have in here our following. So if you want to hide that, you need to head over right here to your three lines, and then head over to the account privacy. Now we need to turn this on. Click on the switch to private, and as you can see right here, only the followers you will actually allow will see your photos and videos, and they will also be able to see your followers and following on that case. So if you don't actually accept their request to follow you, they won't be able to see your following as well as your following list. Click on the switch to private, and as you can see, it's been turned on. So when you head over right here to your homepage, you should be able to see in here a lock icon, which indicates that your Instagram is now private and your following and followers are now hidden. So that's how you hide following and followers list. Hope we helped.